Welcome to the best picks. The best Bondic is probably one of the most versatile and easy-to-use liquid plastic welders on the market, perfect for fixing broken items around the house, crafting intricate designs, or even tackling more demanding DIY projects. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Bondic, its pros and cons, and whether it's the right tool for your needs. Number 5. Bondic Pro Kit. It easily bonds plastic, fabric, metal, rubber, and wood. See how it creates strong, lasting bonds in seconds. It stays liquid until cured by the UV light, allowing you to mold and shape it before it sets. This makes it perfect for filling gaps and creating strong welds. Unlike traditional superglue, it won't dry out in the container or stick to your skin. It only cures when you use the UV light. Once cured, it's 100% waterproof, heat-resistant, and dries clear. You can even sand and paint over it for a perfect finish. The kit includes 3 tubes of resin, a UV light, a cleaning cloth, and a travel case. It's perfect for repairs on the go. What we like. It instantly bonds various materials, and it stays liquid until cured by UV light, allowing for molding and shaping. If you need a super strong and versatile adhesive for various materials, this is the one for you. Its unmatched durability makes it perfect for long-lasting repairs on a wide range of items. What people say. It is a liquid polymer that turns as hard as glass when set in seconds by the blue light technology provided. The one caveat I will say is that it was a large break, going from top to the bottom and coming apart as one large piece, which was about 1/4 of the globe. It either had to hold the glass together and withstand oil, or it simply would not work at all. The truth is that you cannot even see where the Bondic is applied or where the broken piece is joined back together. This stuff is not a mumbo-jumbo glue scam. It is a liquid resin plastic that solidifies when hit with UV light, the same type of light that makes things glow in the dark in the novelty stores. This process has been used for decades by the auto industry as a first-effort version of a 3D printer. It has been used with 2 UV lasers, set up in an XY configuration over a pool of this stuff to make prototypes appear to eerily rise out of the resin pool. Number 4. Bondic UV Glue Kit. It bonds plastic, fabric, metal, rubber, and wood. See how easily it fixes virtually any material. It remains liquid until cured with the UV light. This allows you to mold and shape it before it sets. Unlike regular superglue, it won't dry out in the bottle or stick to your skin. It only cures when exposed to UV light. Once cured, it's waterproof, heat-resistant, and dries clear. You can even sand and paint over it for a seamless finish. This kit includes a tube of UV resin glue, a UV LED light, and a travel case. It's perfect for on-the-go repairs. It's great for repairing jewelry, glasses, figurines, phone chargers, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This kit fixes virtually anything in seconds, and it will never dry out in a container. If you are looking for a convenient and complete kit for quick fixes on the go, this is your best choice. Its portability and ease of use make it ideal for quick repairs anywhere. What people say. I have an old garden gnome that broke its arm. I have tried so many different glues to try and fix it, none worked. Until I tried this, it fixed it in less than a minute. This glue is essentially dental glue and only hardens when exposed to ultraviolet light. But when gluing porcelain, stoneware, dishes, hard plastic, it is unsurpassed. I knocked a literal hole in a stoneware bowl and used the glue to repair the hole, and after over a year and many used and dishwasher cycles it is still tightly together. Same with a very small handle on a lidded butter dish. Still working. I recently used a tube that I have had for 39 months. I was pleased that it still worked perfectly as I keep it for emergencies. The resin was a little yellow colored but dispensed well through the tip smoothly and cured very fast. Dispense a blob and after 2 seconds with the light it is cured and hard. I repaired a large Mophie that got run over by a car. It had big cracks in the case and a chunk of the former 1/2-inch x 3/4 was exposed as a hole. I filled it in from the edges by stretching a few beads across the gap to make a mesh of sorts. I filled in the cracks, put the edges together and held them together while I applied the light. Worked great. Could easily sand it smooth to match the contours. I think this is a fantastic product. Number 3. Bondic UV Welder. It can bond a wide range of materials, from plastic and metal to wood and fabric. It's perfect for fixing everything from small jewelry to larger furniture pieces. Unlike regular glue, it remains liquid until exposed to UV light. This allows you to shape and mold it before it sets, creating a strong, permanent bond. Once cured, it's waterproof, heat-resistant, and dries clear. You can even sand and paint over it for a seamless finish. This handy kit includes a UV resin glue tube, a compact UV LED light, and a travel case. It's great for quick repairs wherever you are. Everything you need is included: a handheld applicator, a UV LED light, and a tube of liquid adhesive, all in a convenient metal case. You'll be ready to start fixing things right away. What we like. It bonds any materials in seconds and stays liquid until cured, allowing for precise application. If you need an incredibly durable adhesive for a wide range of materials, this is the one to choose. Its superior strength and clear finish make it perfect for professional-looking repairs. What people say. Works better than I had even dreamed. The ability to clean it up before setting it is an unsung pro. No frantic time worries about super glue setting up, no concerns about getting glue where I didn't want it. I was able to apply this to the parts, get them fitted properly and hold them in place till I was happy with the fit and then hit them with the UV light. It worked perfectly. Number 2. Bondic LED Glue Kit. It's a game changer for bonding, fixing, and filling. It works on almost any material, from wood and ceramic to metal and glass. This liquid epoxy stays liquid until you cure it with the UV light. This lets you mold and shape it before it sets, unlike super glue. Unlike super glue, it won't dry out in a container or stick to your fingers. It only cures when you use the UV light. It's incredibly durable once cured. After just 4 seconds of UV light, it becomes waterproof, heat-resistant, and even sandable. The kit includes the liquid plastic, a handy applicator, and a protective tin case. It's perfect for quick fixes anywhere. What we like. It's superior to super glue, offering unique molding and shaping capabilities before setting. If you are tired of super glue's limitations, this is a game changer. Its innovative design and long-lasting performance make it perfect for those seeking a superior adhesive experience. What people say. It is a plastic weld, so you need to treat it like a weld. You need to have it on as many sides as possible for strength. It has been 2 months and it's holding fine. Once I figured out how best to use the device, it worked like magic. The bonds was fast and strong. It's liquid until you harden it. The longer you hold the UV light to it, the less fluid it becomes, so you can use it like a flimsy plastic bond or a hard one, depending on your desired result. Hold the UV to it for less time for a more flexible hold, but it's also a weaker hold, great for cables that need to flex. Plus, if you're using this as a thicker bond, you need to do it in layers, so make a thin layer, slightly harden it, so it's more glue-like, and then do the next. Keep doing it to build the structure. Number 1. Bondic LED Refills. Introducing Bondic Refill cartridges, the perfect companion for your Bondic welder. These cartridges provide 5 4G refills, ensuring you're always ready for your next repair. Each cartridge offers approximately 200 drops, providing numerous applications. It all depends on how much you use per repair. It's incredibly versatile. Use it on a wide variety of materials, from plastic and wood to metal and even rubber, to mend almost anything. Once cured, it's completely waterproof, heat-resistant, and non-toxic. Plus, it dries clear and can be customized with paint or sanding. The integrated LED UV light makes repairs a breeze. Simply press the button, and it cures in seconds, creating a strong, permanent bond. What we like. These are long-lasting refills for your Bondic welder. If you already own a Bondic tool and need more adhesive, this is the perfect option. Its cost-effectiveness and ease of use make it a must-have for frequent users. What people say. The product is terrific for filling and sealing watertight needs. The bonding process is quick and simple. with the ability to apply precise amounts and layering between sanding sessions is remarkable. I use this on everything. It's super fast and strong. If you use it on anything too slick, you might want to sand first. Use this stuff in our shop all the time for quick repairs on plastics and acrylics. It holds well and cures quickly, pretty versatile. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.